Hi all, welcome to Elora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. So today's recipe is delicious marshmallow pops. So let's check out the recipe. First, take some 1/4 cup of choco chips, microwave it for total 2 minutes, and every 30 seconds remove it and stir it with spoon. Do not over microwave it, otherwise it will not form proper chocolate syrup. So just remove it every 30 seconds and stir it. It will get melted easily. Now take marshmallows in a skewer. Put two, one after the other. Now start applying the melted chocolate. You can also use brush instead of spoon, whichever is visible. Use that and spread it all over like this. If you see the chocolate is getting solid, then microwave it for some 30 seconds or 15 seconds. So as soon as it is done, it will get all stick. If you want, you can also keep it in fridge before serving. So apply it all over all the sides properly. So 1/4 cup of choco chips is enough for 8 marshmallow pops. So now add some sprinklers on top. So now our marshmallow pops are ready. Keep it in fridge before serving it. It will taste exactly like ice cream. It really tastes awesome. Kids loves this. So all of you can try this recipe. So thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.